Welcome back to the Rainbow Vision.
Yes, you know what I want today? We're gonna be making Leon. You know what I'm cooking today?
What's that? Let us know, chef.
Callaloo soup.
Jesus, what are you saying?
Callaloo soup, people,
Hey,
yeah.
healthy.
Yeah, man, an ISO, vegetarian, vegan, anything you want to call it, because it ain't got no meat in it. It ain't got no fish in it.
Real
yeah, man, it's
green
just
soup.
It's just nature, plant-based, people. Yeah, fully plant-based.
Yes,
but
yes.
The best plant-based you can get, natural, organic Callaloo soup, people. Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody that's in the program right now. Yeah, man, we're there.
Yes.
And you know, say we're there season 5. Yeah, man, keep the thing alive.
Bless it.
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yeah, Leon. So look, I'm just gonna turn up.
Where I going with the pot?
So I got my pot of hot water there now, Leon. So you see, the first thing that I'm gonna start off with today, yeah, is basically my pumpkin.
Yes.
Cause my pumpkin is gonna be like my base of my soup, just with my color and everything. You understand, Leon?
Yes.
Yeah, man. So I just wanna peel up my pumpkin here to get my pumpkin in the water from early. Yeah, man, and just good vibes, people. So I get my pumpkin over there, and I got some dasheen that I'm gonna be using as well, people. So we're going dasheen some, you know. So we have a dasheen some dasheen.
You see it?
Yeah, man, I dasheen some dasheen to the people. So good vibes, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. Yeah, cause this one is a good one, you know. Callaloo soup. Yeah, man. Just keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking. If you're in the live right now, share up the video, people. Leave a comment, leave an early comment. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We're there, we're outside. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Aye. Yes, everyone, so I'm just gonna, I'm gonna put my pumpkin in the water. So with my pumpkin, I'm also gonna put in some garlic. Get my garlic in.
Yes, brother. You good, yeah?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, respect, brother.
Yeah, you didn't do that
CD.
did
Yeah,
you?
I've got one for you still.
So I'm just getting my time in as well, everybody. Yeah, man, Leon's got a customer right now, so you don't know what I want. So
Let me
Leon,
just get the customer a CD and come back.
all I'm doing, Leon, yeah, have a look. So just peeling and just washing off all my things them, and then look, I've got the pumpkin and the thyme
The garlic.
and the garlic in the water. So I'm just gonna
Yes.
make that go and do its own thing.
Simmer. You get me?
So the next thing I'm gonna do, yeah, is these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use in the soup. Let me show you first. So I got a breadfruit that I'm gonna be using today, people. Yeah. So we ain't used the breadfruit on the program yet, so I'm gonna be putting breadfruit in the soup today. So I have good vibes. You see it, Leon?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I just peel my breadfruit. You have to cut out the half of the breadfruit still. What's the day been like today at the shop?
Yeah, it hasn't been too bad, you know, like just came here, cleaned up, set up, burn some incense, make the place smell good,
And deal with the customer then.
and deal with the customers, man. People come for all types of stuff, so people come to buy products, people come with problems, people
Yeah.
come for advice, people
Yeah.
come to just chat, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
People
yeah,
just
yeah.
come to say a quick hello, so it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Just a,
In said way.
yeah, it's just like a place where people just feel comfortable to come in and that. And then, like you said, you just popped in, turn up with a Ringo Vision, you know, and all the goodie bags to cook up, and then we're here,
Yeah, come
still feeding the neighborhood. You get me?
Done now.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna be using as well today, people, yeah, just peeling the turnip. So you've seen turnip before on the program, everybody. So I'm giving the turnip again, so good vibes. We've got our callaloo here, everybody, Scotch bonnet pepper, breadfruit, turnip, okra, carrot. Yeah man, our good vibes people. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ah, the pumpkin's just boiling out in there with the garlic and the thyme and whatnot. So what I'm gonna start to do now is start to add in a little bit of ingredients people, because as you can see that I've peeled everything, washed everything up. I'm gonna take my time and just start to add in the ingredients them in the pot nice and slowly. Yeah man, it's a vegan, it's an ITO, it's a vegetarian dish today people. Yeah man, we're there. So Leon just gave me some tissue now, so I'm just gonna wipe off the side now, so you know say, yeah man, our good vibes, car. This is all the stuff, things them that I've used up. We've got left over some mushrooms. I might, but I'm not gonna put no mushrooms in there, but I might. I had contemplation of that. But the ginger, definitely I'm gonna cut up a piece of ginger and put a piece of ginger in there, people. Yeah man, our good vibes. We've also got the cho-cho and the yellow yam here, and we've also got the red onion here and the pepper. So that might be a next meal or next time, because as you can see, we're just making a nice little small pot here, people. So we've got loads of ingredients that's gonna be going in there today, people. Yeah, our good vibes. Ah, look at that. I'm gonna take out the pumpkin in a second, and then I'm gonna mash it out.
Go, well, go on. What's the update with the pot now?
Alright, Leon, come in. So the update is, yeah, I'm taking out the pumpkin in it.
Okay. And what's that?
The reason why, yeah, cause I do this.
Okay. They say you have to mash up the pumpkin.
Mash up the pumpkin.
To
Because
make
the pumpkin,
soup smooth.
yeah, to make the soup smooth, but to also, because you know we're gonna add the callaloo now as well.
Yeah.
And the callaloo is gonna give it like a greeny color, so we're gonna balance out the colors that's gonna be happening in the pot.
Okay.
People gonna think, so what kind of green grass this man I cook? You see it? And it's a soup. You get me? So I'm gonna balance it out. Here's the callaloo already, yeah, that I've already chopped up. And I've got the Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix.
Oh yeah. Don't forget the Ringo.
So I'm gonna be just lightly sprinkling it over the callaloo, and just basically what I'm gonna do is just mix it in really and truly, and then just add it into the water and just let that boil, yeah, Leon, yeah. I'm gonna let the callaloo, yeah, boil for a little while,
Yeah.
before I add the pumpkin back in.
Okay.
Because what I want to do now is just get the flavor that I really want to create today in the pot.
Yeah.
And how I'm gonna do so, I'm gonna do it without the pumpkin at the moment. The pumpkin's gonna be an additive ingredient
Okay.
later. So
Yeah.
the pumpkin gets two formations of cooking today.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
gets the first part of cooking, we get some flavors boiled out.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna use the second part of the pumpkin to also generate a color that I'm also looking for as well, people.
Yeah.
There's a good vibes. I've got some bay leaf as well here with
Yeah.
me as well, Leon, which I'm just gonna put one of the bay leaves in my pot.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now I'm gonna add a bay leaf in. Coming closer so that everybody can actually see what I want. So I added a bay leaf, and what I'm gonna also add in as well, Leon, is one of my okra, and I'm just gonna cut it in the middle.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna cut it down the middle again.
Yeah.
So I've got 4 quarters,
Yeah.
and I'm just gonna left them like so.
Yeah.
Because you see the okra carries certain thickness to
Yeah.
the water as well.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
don't want
yeah.
to put the okra in like from now, because then I might get a thick soup
Yeah, yeah.
without putting the hard food and stuff like that in. So what I want to do, I was going to create a little bit of thickness and get a little bit of body to the water.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
put one okra in there because it's just a small pot.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
Yeah man, I have good vibes. If you like what you see me and Leon doing right now, yeah, give me a like, give me a comment.
Yes. You see how the soup coming along?
Right. Now tell the people, so you see that little electric cooker here? You know, normal. Yeah, man, Leon's little electric cooker, people, yeah, not a normal one because I tell you how it gets the pop. Look at this. Yo! See that? Yeah, man. Yeah, it works though, Leon. It's a mad thing.
Yes. Wow, go on, yo.
Yes, people. So look, Leon had to go and get a pot, because the neighbor come, yeah, and
No,
smell.
They smell the soup and they say, yo, they want some of the soup, so we have to switch our pot now. We have to go from small to medium now.
You see?
And the thing ain't even ready yet. You get me?
So what we're gonna do here what we're gonna do is gonna make this water here boil up first instead of putting all of this hot, prepared already water, quarter, 10% soup into like cold water. So yeah, man, transformation. Leon,
Yes.
respect, man, cause good vibes, we're there.
There, all day. Yes, brother.
Everyone, Leon just come to you with a proper sea salt, So this is gonna bring a next acquired taste to the soup as well, people, yeah, cause say Leon, him not normal. Him have herbal remedies in the shop, Yeah, man, people, you must come down and check out the shop, people, yeah. Say our good vibes. Yeah, man, we're outside. So I've just cut up a red onion, put a bit of ginger, sprinkled some of the all-purpose seasoning mix in there, drop in a Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this water here boil up. Because so we can't just boil so water, So so we have to, because this one here, yeah, man, it's already got an energy. So we have to create an energy on this one here to do the transformation. We can't just dash him in and just make this one have to do a whole lot of hard work to get it to the level, because so whatever's going on in here is going to be watered down now because there's going to be more water and whatnot. So before we just put the plain water on, we just get it kicking and get flavors coming out of it. So when we do the transfusion, everybody, the transfusion is done right. You get me? Outside. Everyone, I'm gonna do the transformation now, people.
Oh, so what you saying? What go on with the kitchen?
So you see the yellow yam?
Yeah.
I'm just peeling the yellow yam now, because I've done the little transformation, Leon.
Oh, you done the transformation now?
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, because yellow yam is one of them ones there that don't boil out. When you put a potato in the pot,
Yeah.
cooking a potato, like 20 minutes, 10 minutes
What you
later,
say?
yeah, it can mash out and turn to mashed potato.
Yeah.
You see the yellow yam?
Yeah.
It won't do that.
They said the yellow yam tough.
Yeah, not even tough, it just holds a solid texture.
Yeah.
Which makes it good for boiling.
Yeah, the yellow yam looking like some sunshine. You get me?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
See it? Look, I'm gonna add it in now, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. What are you saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna add in
got-
just the yellow yam, because as you can see, there's bare ingredients that I've got here, but I'm putting in the yellow yam.
Oh, because the yellow yam take longer to cook.
Yeah, and just make it just boil, go and boil with the flavor, because I good vibes.
A good vibes.
Yeah, man, I good vibes.
See it? When you're having a good vibe, you have to drink some Callaloo soup.
Callaloo soup.
You see it?
Remember, say I got breadfruit in there as well. I got turnip in there. I got okra in there. Yeah, man. And Ricky just turned up.
Yeah, Ricky just turned up. That's why we had to get a bigger pot.
Yeah,
You get me?
Ricky just turned up. So I good vibes.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait for that to just go and boil up, and then yeah, man.
Yes.
In the motion right now, people.
That's
yeah,
it.
there.
Day update. What you saying, Ringo? What I'm going with the soup?
So the pumpkin now, yeah. You know
It's
that
pumpkin time.
I mashed out the pumpkin, so I'm just gonna add the pumpkin because it's pumpkin time still.
It's pumpkin time.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's a good vibe right now. So just stir it around a little bit. Put the pumpkin going in there. Just gonna make it just boil up, and then I'm gonna start to just add the rest of the ingredients and just make
the rest of the layers and the textures.
and
You
the
know what I'm saying?
textures. Yeah, good vibes.
Yes, yes. So when you watch the X-Men, they all
Some
have
good
powers
cutaway
that they can
shots
use
now, people.
control
Yeah,
the
man, good
elements
vibes.
around it. You got like someone like Gambit. He used the element of fire.
Elements, innit? So
Wolverine,
you watch
he used
it.
that. Ringo, what he said.
So I've had all my ingredients in the water right now, people. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add them to the pot, nice and easy. So you see that, so everything's washed up and fresh.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, our good vibes now, people. So we're just chucking it on nice and easy.
Listen, this ain't no soup with no food in there, yeah?
Beer food.
You see, a whole heap of food.
You see it? Everything's going in.
You get me? You get the soup and it's just water, like, you get me? With a little bit of one dumpling. There's no dumpling here, you see it?
And the
Very
reason why there's no
fast,
dumpling here is because this is like, you see when you say idle
Yeah.
or vegan
yeah,
or vegetarian,
yeah.
I'm talking about nothing that's processed, that's
Yeah,
going inside of it. You
dumpling,
understand?
we're not-
Dumpling and them thing they're coming out of packet.
Yeah, we're not
So-
dumb out here, so we can't, we can't
Yeah, you
do
see
the
that? So we're not dumb out here, so we're not using no dumpling, you get me? So yeah, good vibes, people. So you see the last thing that I'm gonna do now, yeah?
What's that?
Look at this.
Oh, you split up the okra again.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give the upper now its final send off. Cut them up like that, you know, Leon.
Yeah. Easy. Alright.
Give this one a little stir up. Bare things in there, you see that?
This soup, they're dangerous for the man there, but when you eat this, you need a girl straight away, you get me? Trust me. I'm telling you, bro.
Hey Leon, I'm feeling the statues them that you got representing in the shop, them, you know, in the window.
These are like the original carvings, you know what I'm saying? From the motherland, you know? We have to let them know how like the people have talent, and we have to showcase the talent, you know what I'm saying? So we have people making like earrings, carvings, artwork, paintings, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, it's time to showcase the talent, you know what I'm saying?
Good vibe, man. A bare talent, people. Oh, people, look at this. Look at the smoke. Pressure cooker now. I'm gonna bust. Alright, let me open it up, cause things are going, people. Yeah, man. A good vibe. Yeah. Woo. Leon,
Yes, my G.
so what they call this one? Coriander.
Coriander, my G.
Alright, so the flavours are kicking out of it. Come in and have a look, Leon, what I'm going to do now with the coriander. So you bought me some natural sea salt from
yeah.
Ghana.
Yes, my
So I'm
G.
going to chop it in with the coriander, you know, Leon.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is something different. And this is just the finishing for our soup. Full vegan, full ital, full vegetarian.
Yes, Ital is vital.
Ital is vital, right?
You see it?
I'm ready.
Yeah, let's see if I get ready for a service. You see it? And we're still about to blow.
Leon, this is my table.
Yeah.
Presentation table. So those everybody that's on YouTube, they'll know Ringo and they'll say, oh, it's Ringo, yeah. Yeah, so everything ready and all. So yeah, gonna leave that there. And then I have bowl here, Leon. Different things are going right now.
Yeah.
Mad things are going, so we've got our coriander bed here.
Yeah, everything looking nice and Irish.
Nice.
What you say, Ringo? What I'm going with the soup? What I'm going with the soup?
Come in. See the soup, yeah?
Super bubble.
Yeah, man. Nice. So look at this now. The finishing touch. What I'm gonna add now, Leon. Have a look here.
Yes.
Coriander. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit, just a little bit on top. Let's give it that finishing touch.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yes, people. We don't know, say Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Finalization for the soup is completed. And yeah, it's just time to
Listen,
serve up
man's
now.
been cooking from daytime, now it's nighttime. You see everything dark out here. You see?
Good vibes. Ah, look at that, everyone. So I'm gonna just serve up on the table here now. We've got our coriander, and we've got our bowl there waiting, and also we've got our pot of soup here. Yeah, man. Thank you very much, everybody that's been here. Yeah, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. A good vibe. We're outside. Yeah, look at this, everyone. Finished, well prepared. We've got our Callaloo soup, all the ingredients, everybody. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We've got our Callaloo soup, everybody. Yeah, man, thank you very much, everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. We don't know, say we're there. Ricks and Leon here.
Yes,
Yeah,
we're
man.
ready to eat.
So we've got a bit of coriander with salt here. If you want to use a bit of coriander and salt as well. Yeah, man, our good vibes, people. Thank you very much to everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. Our good vibes, Callaloo soup, everybody. Yeah, we're just gonna start tucking in right now. Yeah, man, see it there.
Yes, we enjoy it.
Very nice, bro. Yeah, people, Callaloo soup, you know. Look at the Callaloo. Okay, this is the breadfruit, people.